Wait, why was the fridge door halfway opened? Hold on. No. Wait, no, something's going on right now. What is that? While I'm cleaning the fish, do you mind prepping the marinade? Sure. I don't know how to do it, though. Just take a bowl and throw in ginger paste. Cook. Yeah, I got you, Mike. Okay, we got... Oh, I didn't even need it. It says it. Okay, we need some salt. Let's find the salt. Okay, why is this halfway open? I don't understand. Okay, chat, let's look for some salt. Type salt when you see salt. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's salt. There we go. Black pepper. That's pepper. Paprika. I'm cooking right now, chat. One of the milks is gone. You're right. We brought 2 milks in here. Oh, nah. What? Yo, close the basement door. Why is this open? By the way, where is Nora?